Hi, good morning and welcome back to Chef in my kitchen. Same place, different time. Early in the morning today apparently. So, a couple of canapes we're going to do together today. The first one, we are thinking of smoked mackerel canape cocktail. For that we would like to use some... See what I mean? Still asleep. Right, so we've got some mayonnaise and we'll top it up with ketchup, same amount. If you put a couple of spoons of mayonnaise, it will be a couple of spoons of ketchup together there, and give it a good mix so it is quite a rosé color. A small drop of lemon juice, teaspoon, less in Worcestershire sauce, just a really little drop there, and some black pepper, and mix again, and that's your base sauce for this canape. We've got half a cucumber. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to make a few little cups, like so. You cut it maybe, I would say, 1/2 inch rings. Talking about this big. What we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop the middle out, but don't go all the way through. Try to leave a bit of skin in the underneath to hold the sauce and the mackerel we're gonna put on the top. So gently, just scoop the middle, and like so. A small drop of the Mackarel sauce. We've got some flaked mackerel, smoked mackerel in here, and some people associate the Mackarel sauce with just plum cocktail, but it can be used with any other fish really. And literally all what we do is just place on the top. Once it's finished, you can just decorate it with a few salad leaves if you feel creative. And there we are. Right, these are the first ones there. The next one is the other half of the cucumber, so you don't waste it. Is try to find a cucumber that is big enough to one of the rings at home. If you've got a smaller ring than these chef's rings, try to find a smaller one, if not as big as these more or less. So it just fits, as you can see. Once you find the size, you will peel it like so from the side. And then you make few rings, not as thick as the ones we've done previously, less. So you're talking about maybe 5 mil or so. And we're talking about this thick. There it is. Right, so gently take the middle out, this time all the way through. So there you are. Just all the way through and make a ring, literally. Slice of bread. You can have it seeded bread, white bread, brown bread, any bread you like. Gluten-free bread, if you like. And this is where the ring is coming from. So you make 4 rings. We've got 4 slices of cucumber there, so you make 4 rings. Now we've got some soft cheese here, first of all. So we're gonna spread them with some soft cheese on the top, gently. Don't overdo it. Obviously, if you're doing this at home for your guests and in a party or whatever, you don't really need to do all these 3 the same. What I'm doing now, all of them in one tray. It would be too much of cucumber canapes. Pick the best one that you like, or your favorite, or the easiest one of it, or maybe a couple of them. But 3 or 4 canapes of the same ingredients or main ingredients wouldn't go well. What we'll do is we place these rings of cucumber that we've done before on it, and we put them aside for now. Like I said earlier on, we have cream cheese here, soft cream cheese, and I've took some dill, fresh dill, finely chopped, very fine as possible. And mix it, give it a good mix. So every bit of cheese has got some of that nice dill. Piping bag. I'm using piping bag, you don't have to use it, you can get a teaspoon and nicely fill the middle of the cucumber ring that you get. But if you've got a piping bag, it will be even easier. And gently. We've got some micro herbs in here, these ones are sprouts. And just put them right on the top. And if you fancy to put slightly a smaller piece of this dill, voila. We're doing cucumber rolls with smoked salmon, cream cheese and chives. We've got some smoked salmon here ready made, chopped smoked salmon, soft cheese, chives, again chopped chives, mix them all together, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and that's ready for you. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to use the peeler and get a very straight, long piece of cucumber. Now, you might fail, and I will fail in front of you, I can prove that some of them will break, but if you have a steady hand and don't rush it too quick, it will come out nicely. That's one. We've got this, like I said earlier on, smoked salmon, chives, soft cheese, bit of cream and so on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it gently along the cucumber. And gently roll it like so. And that's your roll. And so on and so forth, so you got the gist of it. Once that is done, we've got some shredded beetroot here, raw beetroot, and you can just finish it off with a few sprigs of beetroot, and there you have it. And these are cucumbers, canapes for Cucumber Day. I hope you've learned something else today, and I hope you use them. And have a nice cucumber day. Bye bye.